My name is Kausha Vora, and I have done my BTech in Information Communication Technology from Ahmedabad University. And currently, I have secured admission into Symbiosis Institute of Business Management, Bangalore, via SNAP exam. So the phase-wise module that Endeavor has, that is a very brilliant approach. I feel that is suitable for all types of candidates because it starts with the module 0, then module 1, then module 2, depending on how vast is a certain section. And then it goes forward to marathon, and at last it goes to essentials. So the way the entire structure is distributed over various modules is very amazing, I would say, and it develops the learning horizon and it widens the horizon because you learn step by step and not all at once. So the learning capacity increases as well as the retention is better. So the test series were very apt, I would say. They were very close to the actual CAT exam, especially the quant section. So rather, I would say it was above the CAT level. The quant section was amazing. And something that I would like to highlight about the test series would be that the solutions that were given for every test series were amazing. So if I would skip a chapter and if I would see it in the test series, and then when I would see the solution, I would grab so many concepts because it was a very elaborative and explanative solution. So that is something that I would like to highlight about the test series. So the GDPI process, the mock GDs and mock PIs that were conducted by Endeavor were amazing. And as I have got admission into SIBM Bangalore, so I had been part of group discussions which were taken by Sazil sir, and they were amazing. The cases given, the activities given were very intriguing. And talking about the real GDPI, so it was quite close. The mock PI that was taken at Endeavor was quite close to what I had experienced at SIBM Bangalore. And something very memorable that happened was at one of the mock PI, I was asked by Deepak sir something related to AI ML and the product of artificial intelligence in the real world. And I was very clueless at that time. And in the feedback, he had told me and he had guided me regarding Alexa and asked me to study something about it. And the same question was asked to me at SIBM Bangalore, and I was able to answer that very well. And that was something where the panelists were also got very impressed by my answer. So yes, that is something very commendable about Endeavor that I would say. The mock PIs were really, really close to the real ones. So the teaching approach that at Endeavor is very comprehensive because it gives attention to every detail. So we have one-to-one mentorship, and then we have something called cohort groups, which in offline form was known as study groups. So basically one-to-one mentorship is regarding the form filling sessions, regarding certain query sessions, regarding college selections, etc., which we have with the mentor. And the cohort groups are some common groups. Like at Endeavor, the faculties segregate the students based on their interests, their goals, their scores, etc., and they make cohort groups. So that is something that is very good when it comes to teamwork, when it comes to studying together. And on the other hand, the third perspective is about the classroom. The classroom is a very it has a very small set of students. The number is very small, so that also gives immense learning. So at a stage we meet different kinds of people, and that gives a lot of experience when it comes to the teaching and learning process, because it's both ways. I would say not a feedback, but something that I would like to point out about the non teaching staff would be that they have really cooperated and collaborated during the online times, because it was a sudden switch for all of us. And I still remember me calling 2 to 3 times a day at the technical desk, to say that kindly give me the password for so and so test, or kindly schedule my mock PI, kindly schedule my mock GD. So they were very cooperative. And there have been times where I have heard, and I myself have been into this situation, because there is so much of stress, there is so much of anxiety. We tend to pour down on the technical staff, and but they have always been very polite, very kind, respectful, and they have always answered our queries at the shortest time that was possible. And talking about the doubt desk has not been in much connect during the online time for our batch, because mostly our doubts used to get solved in the doubt sessions that were taken by the faculties. So that has not come into picture more. But when it was offline, as I was in a 1.5 year course, so I have studied 6 months offline. At that time, the doubt desk was really, really helpful. It's like you can walk in any point of time and you will always find somebody sitting there, and they are very approachable, they are very friendly. And sometimes it happens that you can't tell the faculty that you don't understand a certain method that they are asking you to solve a question. But at doubt desk, you can just tell them that, sir, I don't understand this, could you give me an alternative method? And they'll give you something that suits you, that is very easy for you. So this particular concept is amazing. So my pro tips for juniors would be that don't ever give up, because I have realized over time that this entire journey is very tough, and not to scare you all, but it is generally very tough, and it tends to take a toll on every person, however good or bad you are at your test scores. So never give up, just stay focused. And third would be that please focus on hard work and not on smart work, because smart work would work when it comes to your techniques to solve the questions, but if you try to get a shortcut into the preparation that you are doing, it won't pay the results. So my pro tips would be stay focused, don't give up, and work on your hard work and not smart work. So yes, I have used YouTube videos immensely because it turned online. So there are two things that I would like to highlight. First is there is the word of the day, which is posted every day by Endeavor. And along with that, we have GK capsules, which are posted in the video format. These things are amazing when it comes to every day catching up to the world, catching up to the vocabulary. The second aspect is something very interesting that was started by the very end of the year, say September onwards, August, September onwards. That was the faculties used to take free sessions, free classes on YouTube, free live classes. And those classes were also recorded and were a part of the YouTube playlist. Now, this was an amazing opportunity for students like us who have studied a particular concept a year ago to revise it. So I also used the YouTube playlist for revising my concept. Something that I would miss about Endeavor as I move on would be the connect with the faculty. I believe that had it been offline, I would have been only associated with my mentor, my offline mentor, and other faculties wouldn't I wouldn't have been able to interact with other faculties so much. But as it turned online, we had faculties teaching from Mumbai, from Bangalore, as well as from Ahmedabad. Those faculties who had not taught us before because the batches were combined. So it was an amazing experience. And also, while college selection and further admissions, I was in constant touch with 2 to 3 faculties. Life lessons that I would take from Endeavor would be the same that I gave as a pro tip. Never give up. The faculties at Endeavor are so motivating, and I know how they have pushed me whenever I have felt low or whenever there were issues, whether it be personal or whether it be professional related to college, related to project. Second would be hard work. Something that Endeavor has taught me through and through is hard work. And third is believe in yourself, because throughout the journey, the faculties, the mentors, their belief in me was so much high compared to what I had for myself. So they taught me this thing that always believe in yourself and the things will fall at place. To say dedicated, teamwork, and very motivating.